Let's watch whether everything is okay with the sound. I think everything is okay. Waiting for 1-2 minutes. Okay, we are starting the overview of the market. I was in a hurry just to share this setup with you. We are urgently studying because it's almost worked out. The entry point was here, but anyway, you have still chances to catch this OP/USDT 5 minutes time frame. I'm interested in collecting a kind of double breakout because the market is quite shortly. It looks really short, and I'm gonna catch 2 breakouts. The first breakout is already done. The first target is completed. That was the entry point, the breakout of the slope. Here we have more than 300 million daily volume. It's extremely good. It's extremely good for the breakout setup, and we are waiting the second target to break this level, but I really do not recommend you to open short right now, only in 2 cases, because you have missed this opportunity. We should have started it earlier, and in this case you would probably be lucky to catch it with me. The first case, if we have the retest of this level, the retest of this slope, and there will be our entry point in case there will be the continuation of intensive sales. Then we are standing, we are waiting for the next breakout. We catch the next breakout, and our aim is at least 1.64, 1.63. Another scenario, the second scenario, if we are continue to fall down, I mean something like this, we only catch this breakout. I mean we only enter short position, open short position on the breakout of this level, but it could be a little bit slower approach to this level. But anyway, please open in case of the second scenario, open short positions only on high activity and catch this breakout. Okay, I think it's more or less clear. And now let's watch from the very beginning. And frankly speaking, I'm really glad to broadcast here for you again. Let's watch what do we have for today, except the OP. We as usual start from the BTC analysis, and all we are watching now is relevant only within upcoming 2 hours. I will explain why. Because today will be the speech of the FOMC head, Mr. Powell. It could bring some extra volatility to the markets, and I usually warn traders to stop trading 1 hour before and 1 hour after such news. Please be careful, because I think he will be talking about the rates, increasing rates, decreasing rates, but I'm almost sure it will be increasing, tightening the monetary policy as usual. We are, I think, gradually getting used to such news, and even the market is gradually getting used. Sorry, just a moment. Sorry, and BTC really looks it really looks shortly. Let's watch at 1 hour time frame. BTC looks like it's gonna start the correction, and in case there are some bad news, I think it's gonna start, and at higher time frames at least. But on the medium and smaller ones, look at this, it looks really inactive, and the $1 billion daily volume for BTC is quite really small, and it's quite inactive and stuck in the flat, I think. And I think that the whole market is waiting for the Powell speech. The exact time you can figure out from investing website. Make a correction towards 1,600 because it's consolidating above the strong level 1,700 for a long time, and it's more or less showing us that it's gonna be a correction sooner or later, and the correction it's a normal thing for the further growth, and I think that will be the correction on the next touch of this level. So be sure it's gonna be, and be careful, please. Do not search for long setups on Ethereum because it's quite shortly now and it's quite dangerous. Please watch this setup, and if it's relevant after Powell's speech, it's gonna be alright, especially on the background of the bad reaction on this news from the market. OP, it looks really good. It looks really good. Sorry, it looks like you missed the first chance to short from this breakout, but we can break this structure, the horizontal support. Okay, let's wait. The volumes are rising, and even if there will be small consolidation right before the level, it's this setup is still relevant. But be careful to open short position only on high activity. XRP, another one situation, but it's about the smart zones, the smart money concept. It's still relevant to short just from the current position, just from the current prices, because here we see this long consolidation with obvious signs of huge seller loading, and this seller has an average entry point in the area of 0.46082. From this price, it's possible to short. Look at these volumes; it's extra high. It really looks good, and moreover, look at this. Look at this. Another one argument is the breakout of the local triangle. We have really good arguments for the short here. First of all, our market profile level, where we have usually strong resistance, and another argument is the liquidity below this slope. and it's gonna be broken and liquidity is gonna be grabbed. So we are waiting such a movement. Be careful and be aware to catch this, something like that, and here at least to 0.43. Please do not miss this opportunity to short this instrument. GMT, another one example of smart money. I'm waiting for the zone for the price to reach 0.2975, no sooner, and it's gonna be good downward movement towards maybe the next zone, I think about 0.255. Do not miss this opportunity as well, please, and be aware that the zone is about almost 2%. Be careful, just place limit orders, sell limit orders carefully inside this zone. Usually such zones are working out really good. You know this. KAVA USDT, the only one long setup that should be relevant only in case there will be positive reaction on the Powell speech. If the reaction will be positive, I would really advise you to put limit orders, buy limit orders on this level, and there will be really good breakout. And that's more important. What is more important, that you should place limit orders for fixation in advance at the price level 1.1, for example, at least. And that's gonna work out really good only in case there will be there are some positive moments, and in case the good reaction, positive reaction from the market on the Powell speech, ARB. Another one really good short setup that I'm waiting for, daily volume more than 300, and it's gonna be really good because I suppose the reaction of the market will be negative, and such setups just before such negative reactions will work out really good. Such news will be like a fuel, like an accelerator before this breakout. And if you are, please, if you are in, please place fixation limit orders in advance here. And finally, APT, the same, absolutely the same situation, but it really lacks some volumes. But anyway, it's relevant, especially in the background of news. That's all for today. I think we watched enough really good setups. They look really good. I really like the market that we're having today. Please be careful, adhere to your risk management, and don't over exceed your leverages. Thank you for your attention.